Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayavati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology. Uh, in this session, I cover about the open source technology importance. As I have already discussed about the open source technology in the previous videos, and what is open source technology, why people are preferred, and what is the need of, and where what are the softwares which are using in this platform. So today, first of all, I would like to tell you about the open source, what is open source technology. And this is basically a software in which the source code used to create a program that is freely available for the public to view, edit and redistribute it. So the term open source means it is open to all, the source where we people can openly access. Okay, so this refers to something people can modify and share because its designs is publicly accessible. So the term originated in the context of software development to designate a specific approach to creating computer programs. So today this open source designate a broader set of values, what we call that the open source way, you can say. So the open source projects, products or initiative embrace and celebrate principles of open exchange, collaborative participation, rapid prototype transparency, meritocracy and community oriented development. So these all are the open source source softwares you can use. So in short, if I'm talking about this open source software, so it is a software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify and enhance. So what is the difference between open source software and other types of software? Uh, this basically we know the difference between the basic difference between that this is freely available, whereas as compared to the other softwares, they are not freely available, and every person, or you can say every programmer, is not possible to purchase all those softwares. So they cannot perform their task. So by using this open source software, the programmers can be able to do their task or able to do their programming. Okay, so like some softwares have a source code that only a persons, teams or organizations who created it and maintains executive control over it can modify. So the people call this kind of software proprietary or closed source software. Okay, so only the original authors of proprietary software can legally copy, inspect and alter that software. So for this proprietary software, computer users must agree that they will not do anything with the software that the authors software have not expressly permitted. So this Microsoft Office and Adobe Photoshop are examples of proprietary software. Okay, so open source license, this in this this proprietary software, the users must accept the terms of the license when they use open source software, but the legal terms of open source license differ dramatically from these of proprietary licenses. So this open source license affect the way people can use, study, modify and distribute software. So you can say in general, open source license grant computer users permission to use open source software for any purpose, any wish, and this some open source license, what some people call copyleft licenses, stipulated that everyone who releases a modified open source program must also release the source code for that program alongside. Now the next is open source software only important to computer programmers? This is a question. The answer is no. open source technology and open source thinking both benefit programmers and non-programmers, right? So because early inventors built much of the internet itself on open source technology like the Linux operating system and the Apache web server application. So anyone using the internet today benefits from open source software. Now every time computer users view web pages, check mails, chats with friends, stream music online or play video games, their computers, mobile phones, gaming consoles connect to the global network of computer using open source software, okay, to route and transmit their data to the local devices. And what is your local devices? Like your system, like your laptops, palm tops, tablets, smartphone, etc. So there is a cloud computing which is increasingly important aspect of everyday life. This is the basically internet connected devices. So we all have to store our data on the servers, or you can say them in the clouds. So the next is the why do people prefer using open source software? Because the open source software to proprietary software for a number of reasons like training, security, stability. Okay, so these are the points through which we can use this software, and we go through this. And doesn't open source just mean something is free of charge? No. This is a common misconception about what open source implies, and the concepts implications are not only economic. So there are 5 reasons to open source software for your business. Like first is that it's cost efficient, means between the cost of the software licensing, virus protections and ongoing upgrade expenses, the cost of proprietary systems add up quick. And additionally the software still contains flaws and limits your abilities, and with an open source system you can sideline these costs all while getting a customized product that will ensure growth and productivity. The next is that it allows flexibility, means after you make the investment in the proprietary software that you feel best suits your business, so they are then looked into a system that is concrete, rigid, constantly needs upgrades and may contain unspecified bugs. So this open source keeps an open code, so you can constantly go in and rewrite the code. So as your business changes and adapts, so will your software system. The next is that it's more secure, means with proprietary software no one outside of the company knows how many bugs the program contains. The bugs in open source like software tends to get fixed immediately, and when somewhere like programmers like Microsoft, which typically takes weeks, it not months to patch vulnerabilities. The fourth one is the problems or no problems. Uh, this in the problems with the proprietary of open source software, there is plenty of support through forums and live support chats. So for business that want extra assurance, there are now paid support options on most open source packages at prices that still fails for far below what most proprietary vendors will change. So you have seen when some sites you have visited, then there is also a chat option through which you can share your problem and they will give the solutions. Okay, so there is a chat box facility also, and there are some online online, you can say, operators, online programmers. So they deal with how to resolve your problem, and they will provide you this solution. This is basically in the open source. Now the another thing, fifth one, is the product you are proud of. Open source allows you to tweak the software to suits you or your needs. With its open code, it's simply a matter of modifying it or it to add the functionalities you want. It puts you in a unique position. This customization allows you to develop the applications quickly, reliably, and economically to grow with the expansion of your business. So this open source technology trends for 2018. Um, there are of course open source drivers innovations, like digital disruptions is in the form of today's tech-centric era, you can say. So with this technology space, open source is the new pervasive, and in 2018, it will be driving force behind most of the technology innovations. And these are some open source: open stack gains increasing acceptance, progressive web apps becomes popular, Rust of roll the root roost, and our user community grows. The Internet of Things connects more things. So this is all about today's session, and thank you so much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.